In this video, we'll be going over magazines.com to find niches that have lots of buyers, and we'll also be using magazines to get super targeted people to our site, and I'll show you in a bit. Alright, first of all, once you're on the site, you can browse in categories, animals and pets, art and photography, business and finance. Alright, let's just start with animals and pets. So here you can see a Catster magazine, I suppose. Yeah. So yeah, let's open that up. So once we're on Facebook targeting people for our ad, for our site, we will be able to target the Catster magazine. So because I'm sure that the Catster magazine has a Facebook page, and these people are really passionate about cats, and basically any type of magazine, in the Dogster one or Birds and Blooms. Basically these people are really passionate about whatever the topic that you choose. Think of it this way: if someone is subscribing to a magazine for a certain topic, these people will want more info or more products in that niche. So let's show you another thing I like to do is the bestsellers section. So in the bestseller section, you'll see that the bestseller page has quite a lot of magazines, and well, not all magazines are gonna have products. You have to find the ones that do. For example, the Food Network magazine, you'll be able to sell them food items. For example, plates, mugs, jugs, things like that, knives, forks, and no knives. Selling knives is not allowed on Shopify. So yeah. All right. First, for women, travel and leisure. Like to the travel and leisure people, you can sell backpacks, compasses, basically anything related to traveling. And while targeting, we'll be choosing this magazine, and I'm sure if it's a popular magazine, it's gonna have a Facebook page, and there are gonna be tons of people who are liking it, and we'll be able to target all of them. So imagine showing something, showing a product that to these people. Just imagine how targeted this ad can be for you, and how targeted this product will be to the buyer. And all these people, basically anyone who's subscribed to magazines is a buyer. They buy. These people will always buy. So that's the difference. The thing is, when we look for people to sell products to, especially in e-com, we sometimes we go very vague, and we don't really target the proper people. We go target people, let's say a Harry Potter page. We'll be just targeting Harry Potter. Not everybody who watches Harry Potter is gonna buy the Harry Potter product. You have to go in depth and find things like these. Probably if there was a Harry Potter magazine, we'll be able to target them. I highly doubt there is, but there should be something related to Wizard, I suppose. Alright, there isn't, but you basically, you get the idea. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll be going over other ways to find products, and I'll be showing you exactly how you'll be using AliExpress for supplying your customer with the products, and basically go through AliExpress. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.